that literally just dropped cement on the street.
There's gonna be so many people here, it's not even 10.
I'm gonna put you right behind the GT3. You have to like snake your way back into that corner over there. Oh, okay. Yeah?
I walk through the valley, fight the war unafraid.
This reminds me of college. I used to take photos of your notes. So, we are prepping for our event this Saturday, our open house. And as you can see, it's Wednesday and everything is a mess. So, me and the team are spending today cleaning everything and organizing for the event, and I hope we get it done. We're gonna be here late. But there's a bunch of like miscellaneous things here. Like there's a printer here. We can move this stuff. We can move these small.
Can we move it out this way or can we move it in?
Watch the car. He's got the optics in mind. I'm not wearing an STR hoodie today. I slacked. I think none of us. It's okay, I am the brand.
She ruined my blue STR hoodie, so can't wear it.
What'd you do?
No, I was driving. And he spilled coffee.
Wait, what?
So, we have some black curtains coming in for this like rack here for the event. So our plan is to stuff the mess into that corner and then cover it with curtains. First, we have to move the dually outside. Yeah, that's the game plan.
Are you ready for this cold start?
Look at all this space.
Wow, they walk like so quickly with this at the race we did. I don't know how they do it.
The weights.
So that they even out the
balance.
weight of the cars for each driver kind of thing?
We have a lot of power in the BMW. So they add a lot of weight to our car. Smile. The series that we race in is not all like spec cars, as in they're not all the same. So like we're racing BMWs, there's Ferraris, Lamborghinis, McLarens also on track with us, racing against us. So what they do to balance out the performance, because some of these cars have more horsepower, is they'll add ballast, so weight. I did my best to explain with my working brain cells.
This is not the right artwork. Yeah, definitely not supposed to look like that. Oops. Did you see a problem with the front bumper and the hood when you printed it? It's all pixelated. The file's corrupted. So if you got some time, we kind of have to hustle. So do you have time today to be in front of the computer with me? Awesome. Okay. I'll send you some photos, show you what it looks like right now. I'm gonna get this reprinted so we can finish by Saturday.
Sorry, is that anybody's Chrysler?
It's not these guys.
There's a truck that literally just dropped cement on the street. Give you an STR hoodie?
No, it's fine. I like this.
I'm with the bitches, I'm not the kids, yeah, I'm about to shut this down. Or on the rivers, running the streets wherever the sun shine down. I'm with the bridges, I'm not the kids, yeah, I'm about to shut this down.
So Sam and I met back in grade school in Toronto, well, near Toronto. I was in grade 5, she was in grade 4. We were friends until I graduated grade 12, and then I went to university, and she moved down here to go to UC Irvine, and she never went home. Yeah, so now I'm the marketing manager for STR and STR38 Motorsports, and
Smart move.
Yeah. So this year is set to be very exciting for us. We have a new team, a new customer program in place with the M4 GT4s that we're unveiling today. And we're also going to be racing GT3 in North America and Europe as well. So for North America, we're going to be doing SRO GT World Challenge North America with the M4 GT3 that we raced last year. And in Europe, we're going to be doing GT World Challenge Europe, the Endurance Cup, with a Ferrari 488 GT3 to start the season, with most likely a switch to the 296 GT3 later on in the season, which is very exciting.
You've never been here.
No, never.
So,
The show's dope. Yeah.
we'll be unveiling the car.
Can take another fall. Been sitting on the hands while you're still running up the wall. But we could have a dreamland. Close your eyes, take my hand. Together we can dive deeper than this life. Everything you're dreaming, we can make it come alive.
The whole Mac Daddy grand prize. Get out. 2, 3.
Anyone?
Samantha and the team, thank you for hosting with the mosting. Congratulations. Last year's success. This year's success.
Thank you, everyone.
We're direct competitors. We're co-drivers. It's gonna be me against Sam and him against John.
Oh wait, what class are you guys in?
Pro-Am.
Okay.
But like literally we're we're going at it, yeah.
In Japan, I do Toyota Racing Yaris Cup, and then I'm doing something called Kyojo, which is, I don't really know how to explain it. It's like an open cockpit car thingy.
It's like a rally.
Those
It's like a
like CA Ford, you know, like.
Okay, yes. Yeah.
The wheels are covered.
Be sit in the middle.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then maybe M4 at the end of the year. Yeah.
All right. Nice. Does M4 follow Super Formula?
What does that mean?
As in, they support series of Super Formula? Like, will you race with Super Formula?
I know they do it with Super GT.
Okay. Yeah. That's so good. Yeah.
The worst one was the worst one I've ever done was Euro Formula, which is the was in the Dallara F320, which is the Super Formula Lights car at Monza. I have my shoe in my room. But the bottom of my shoe, where the rubber is, has, from where the heel stop is, it's completely cut in from hitting the brakes all the time at Monza. Just constantly. From not being touched to full compression is like that much.
Not much?
Not as much.
Because it's like a squeeze and then like a squeeze off.
Yeah, so it's more of a pressure plate than actual like.
Yes. There's no, you don't have any like push and feel to it. It's like a hit and then all the release is so minute.
The 24 hours of Dubai in a 3R.
This guy out of nowhere just pulls up in a yellow 458. We have a designated parking for the bad cars in the back. People just don't pay attention anymore nowadays, and honestly, it really gets on a lot of people's nerves, including mine. So don't be like this guy and park inside the BMW show with a different brand car. Seriously.
It's a Mercedes. Well, it's true. Sorry, it's a Mercedes engine in there. I've driven one.
It's very
I went to Pagani and they made me drive one. It's fast.
Yeah.
You know, look, I mean, the car looks amazing. I love the design. Would I get one? Probably not. Not a Pagani guy.
What's an alternative to this?
Probably Koenigsegg, but yeah, Koenigsegg is a little bit better. I mean, he builds everything himself. Yeah, every single piece that goes in the car is designed by Koenigsegg.
Well guys, that is over. I am exhausted. I don't think I've talked for that long in a while, but it was so great seeing so many of you coming out to support and see the unveiling of our two new babies back there, as well as celebrate the very first win of the BMW M4 GT3, which is this baby right here. Thank you to BMW CCA for collaborating with us on this event. It was so awesome to see so many of the BMW community out here. And up next, we've got Sonoma Test coming up quick this week, so we've got to start packing this one. I'll see you there.